In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Trello board to a CSV file without the need for any plugins or additional tools. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, projects, and even personal to-do lists. And sometimes, you might find the need to export your data to analyze or share it in a more universal format, like a CSV file. This straightforward guide will walk you through the process, making it accessible to anyone, no matter your level of technical expertise. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the specific Trello board that you wish to export. Once you have your desired board open, locate the three dots icon. This is typically found at the top right corner of your screen. It might also be referred to as the More button, and it's where a lot of the board administrative tasks live. It can sometimes be easy to miss if you're not used to looking for it, but once you've found it, click on it. Upon clicking, a menu will drop down, offering an array of options. From here, you'll need to look for and select the option labeled Print, Export, and Share. This is a particularly useful function that allows you to either print the board directly or export it in various formats. In this case, you're interested in exporting. Within the Print, Export, and Share section, you'll see the option to export as CSV. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple file format that is widely supported for data exchange and allows you to view your Trello board's information in spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. This makes data analysis, sharing, or backup easy and straightforward. Once you select Export as CSV, the file will start downloading to your computer. The download process should begin automatically, and depending on your browser's settings, it might ask where you'd like to save the file, or it could save it to your default downloads folder. It's a good idea to keep track of where your files are being saved to ensure you can access the exported data when you need to. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've successfully exported your Trello board to a CSV file. This method is perfect for when you need a quick way to transfer data without the fuss of additional plugins or extensions. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful, enabling you to take full advantage of managing your Trello board data. And remember, this CSV format is excellent for sharing with others or backing up your information, so take advantage of this feature whenever you need it. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.